how to remove a video post from the archive so that no one else can see it. Before I start, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell for more videos. Thanks for your time. For this video tutorial is for how to remove a video post from the archive so that no one else can see it. Now click the Facebook app to open your Facebook account. Before open your Facebook app, please update your Facebook app to see all features. Next, click your profile. Next, find the video you want no one to see. Here are my example videos. To remove it, click the 3 button for more options. And here click Move to Archive. Done. To see it video, go to the settings. Please refresh your Facebook to see that the video has disappeared from your news feed, and see it again to be sure your video has disappeared. So now go to the settings to see your video and click the settings and security and click the settings, and here scroll down and find the activity log, and here click it activity log and click archive, and here is your video. And if you want to restore it to your news feed, just click on this video and click restore, and back to your home. And I'm done. See you in the next videos. Before I leave, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone. Bye bye.